Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School. Myself Pooja Dhokre. Students, in our previous session we have started our lesson number 3, Money in Everyday Life. In that also we have already studied about profit and loss, even bills also. So today we are going to learn about the billing, exercise 3.4, page number 52. Just open your book. See here, a supermarket in Delhi displays the following prices. So this one is the price list. Okay. See, here is a items and here is a rate of that particular items. You can see sugar rupees 30 per kg, butter rupees 90 per kg. Like this the rates, here the rates are there. Okay. Now you can see this side also, pencils rupees 18 per dozen, even notebooks rupees 120 per dozen. Okay, so like this the rates. When you go to the shop, the shopkeeper tell you the price of the particular item. So like this, here is a list. Now see here is Kishore's bill when shopping at the supermarket. Okay. Now Kishore paid with a 500 rupee note. What change did he get back? See here students, here is a supermarket list, item, quantity, rate and amount. You can see here soap. So quantity of soap is 3, that means he bought 3 soaps. So the rate is 15. This rate is for 1 soap. So when you multiply 15 and 3, the answer is 45. Okay, now sugar. See, 1 kg sugar rate is 30 rupees. So your amount, total amount also 30 rupees. Now butter, half kg butter. The rate is for 1 kg. See, so half kg means the amount will be 45 rupees. Now tomatoes, half kg tomatoes, rate 10. This rate is for 1 kg. So that's why the half kg tomatoes for 5 rupees. Now milk, 2 liter milk, rate 32 and amount 64. Okay, why 64? When you multiply 2 and 32, the amount will be 64. So total, just add this. So the total is rupees 189. Now what they told us here, Kishore paid with a 500 rupee note. What change did he get back? So what you will do students? See, his total is 189 and he paid 500 rupees, isn't it? So just subtract 189 from 500. So tell me the answer students. Yes, do subtraction. Here 10, 10 minus 9, 1. Here 9, 9 minus 8, 1. Here 4 minus 1, 3. So that's why your answer is rupees 311 he will get back. Okay. Now we'll see our next example. Here, question number B. Okay, just see here. Question number B, second one. Okay, so here is a table given in textbook. See, sorry, question number B, first one. Coffee, 300 gram coffee for rupees 450 per kg. 200 gram biscuits for rupees 220 per kg. 750 gram pulses, rate rupees 80 per kg. 1 kg potatoes for rupees 6 per kg. So here they asked calculate the cost of the purchase below. What change would you receive in each case if you gave the cashier rupees 500? So for that we need to calculate this all, and then we have to subtract the answer from 500. Okay, so first we will calculate all this. For that, here 300 gram coffee, isn't it? B, first one, 300 gram coffee. So just see in textbook, students, rate of coffee is 450 per kg. 450 per kg, that's why 1 kg is for rupees 450. Okay, now here that person has bought 300 gram coffee. That's why what you do here, students, 450 per kg, that means divide by 1000. Okay, because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. That's why here we have just divided by 1000. Now multiply by 300. Then we will get the rate of the 300 gram coffee. Okay, here I can cancel it. Now 10 ones are 10. 10 threes are 30. So now 45 multiplied by 3, how much? Yes, students, 45 multiplied by 3. Do the multiplication. Rupees 135. So therefore 300 gram coffee is for rupees 135. Now next item is 200 gram biscuits. 200 gram biscuits. Now the rate of biscuit, see the table, supermarket list, you can see there the rate of biscuit is 220 per kg. 220 per kg. That means 220 divided by 1000 and just multiply it by 200. Okay. Now students, see here, 200 ones are 200, 200 fives are 1000. Okay. Now 5, just divide 220 by 5. Okay, when you divide it, you will get rupees 44. Just divide properly, students. Okay, so the rate of 200 gram biscuit is rupees 44. Okay, now the next item is 750 gram pulses. 750 gram pulses. So see in price list, price of pulses, it is 80 per kg. Rupees 80 per kg. Now 80 divided by 1000 multiplied by 750. Okay. So students, here you can cancel, isn't it? Now 5 2s are 10 and divide 75 also by 5. Now 5 ones are 5. So 5 5s are 25. So here 15. Again 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now 15 multiplied by 4. Yes, students, do the multiplication. 15 multiplied by 4. Yeah. So answer is 60. And therefore the price of 750 gram pulses is rupees 60. Okay, now students, again the next item is 1 kg potato, and you can see the price list. So in that the price of potatoes is already rupees 6 per kg, and we want also 1 kg price. So potatoes rupees 6. Now these answers just fill it in, add and fill it in the list. Okay, so we will add it. Here, see, see now, rate of coffee rupees 135. Okay, here the rate of biscuit is rupees 44. Even the rate of pulses is rupees 60. And rate of potatoes 6 rupees. Okay, now just do the addition, students. 0, 0. Yes, students, do the addition. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, now here 1, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Here 1 plus 1, 2. So your total is 245. Okay, now here they have asked us what change would you receive in case if you gave the cashier rupees 500. So just subtract 500, just subtract 245 from 500. Okay, now what will be the answer, students? Yes, rupees 255. So change received back, that means rupees 255. Okay, all of you understood this? Okay, now students, we'll see our next example. Here from question number C, second one. Okay, here they have given sugar, butter, coffee. So we have to make the list. For that we need to calculate all the prices. Now see, question number C, second one. Here 4 kg sugar. Students, 4 kg sugar, just see in the price list what is the price of sugar. Yes, 30 rupees per kg, isn't it? So that's why sugar rupees 30 per kg, and we want the rate of 4 kg sugar. So just 4 kg sugar is equal to 4 multiplied by 30. Yes, what is the multiplication? Yeah, it's 120. Okay, now butter, B1, butter. So see in the price list and tell me the price of butter. Yes, students. Okay, butter is rupees 90 per kg. Rupees 90 per kg, and we want the rate of 500 gram butter. 500 gram butter. So you can make half of 90 because here is a 500 gram, isn't it? So the rate of butter is rupees 45. Now coffee, 2 kg here coffee. So the rate of coffee is rupees 450. Rupees 450 per kg. That means 450. Now we want the rate of 2 kg coffee. 2 kg coffee. So just multiply. Yes students, what is the multiplication? Yeah, rupees 900. Okay. Now students, what you will do? Tell me. Just fill these answers in the price list. Okay. Here, like this price list you have to make. So see, make bills for the following purchase. Use the supermarket price list. Here items, quantity, price and cost. Sugar, here 4 kg, isn't it? And the price of the sugar is 30 rupees per kg. Okay. And the answer is rupees 120. Here butter. Butter is 90 rupees per kg and we have taken 500 gram here. 500 gram rupees 90 per kg. So the total is rupees 45. Okay. And here coffee. Coffee we have taken 2 kg. 2 kg for rupees 450 per kg. So our answer is rupees 900. Now what you will do students? Yes, you have to just add it. Add and tell me the answer. Yes students, so the answer is 1065. Okay. So in this way you can make the price list. Okay. So next sum, here see, 500 gram potatoes, 2 kg tomatoes, 500 gram cabbages, 1 loaf of bread, half liter of milk. Okay students, so for that what you need, just calculate all these terms. We'll see here potatoes. Okay, how much potatoes we have taken? 500 gram here, isn't it? So price of potatoes, see in the price list, rupees 6 per kg. Rupees 6 per kg. So we know that kg means 1000 gram. 1 kg means 1000 gram, isn't it? So here 500 gram means half of 1000. Now here rupees 6 is the rate of 1 kg. That means 1000 gram potatoes. So here 500 gram potatoes we have taken. So the rate of the potatoes will be rupees 3. Okay. Now tomatoes. Tomatoes 2 kg. See the rate of tomatoes, 10 rupees. Rupees 10 per kg. Okay. So what you will do, students? Yes, you will multiply 10 by 2. So you will get the answer rupees 20. Isn't it? Now cabbages. 500 gram cabbages. And the rate of cabbages rupees 20 per kg. Rupees 20 per kg. So here also same procedure, we can make it half. That's why the answer is rupees 10. Why we have written here 10? Because the rate is for 1 kg and 1 kg means 1000 gram and the half of 1000 is 500 gram. Okay, so we can make a half of rate also. Now bread. Rate of bread, 1 loaf of bread is rupees 15 and here also we have taken 1 loaf and here rupees 15. So here also rupees 15. Now milk. See students, milk half liter. And the rate of a milk is rupees 32 per liter. Rupees 32 per liter. So here half liter, that means we can write a half of this 32. So half of 32 means rupees 16. Okay. Now students, see here what you have to do now. Just add all these cost. Okay. Just add it and tell me the answer. Yes students, very good. Here rupees 64. The total is rupees 64. So all of you understood this? Okay. Now we will see the next sum. Here 500 gram biscuits and here liter milk, 2 kg sugar, 250 gram butter, 6 ice creams. So same procedure we will do. Biscuits, we want 500 gram. Here that means we can write, yes students, 9 upon 2. Now sugar, 2 kg sugar, 250 gram butter, 6 ice creams. Now price of a biscuit, yes, rupees 220 per kg. Rupees 220 per kg. Again price of a milk, rupees 32 per liter. And here price of a sugar is rupees 30 per kg. These prices are already given in the supermarkets list. Okay, so from that we have to see the particular price of the item. Now butter is for rupees 90 per kg. And here ice creams. Price of ice cream is rupees 20 each. Okay, so what we have to do now? We have to calculate all these items. Here rupees 220 per kg. That means, see students, rupees 220 per kg. So what you will do students? Just do half of these, because this rate is for particular kg. So here half of a 220 is 110 rupees, 110. Now milk 9/2, but here is a rate of a 32 per liter. Okay, so that's why here do the calculation students. Yes, what you will do students? Sorry, here 32 multiplied by 9/2, 16. 16 nines are, yes students, 16 nines are 144. Okay. Now sugar. Just multiply 30 by 2. So the answer is rupees 60. Here also 90 per kg. That means you can multiply. So here and divide 90 by 4. What will be the answer students? Yeah, 22.50. 22.50. Now here 6 ice creams. So the rate of one ice cream is 20. So multiply 20 and 6, 120. Isn't it? Now just add it. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 456 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Now students will see the next sum. Here see, find the mistakes in each bill and correct them. Okay, so see carefully students what they have given here. You have to find the mistakes from these lists. Okay, so that's why do calculation properly. See here, Lucky Cloth Store. Here is the price list of Lucky Cloth Store. Item, quantity, price and cost. So blouse, quantity of blouse 4, price of blouse 50, but here they have given the cost 20 rupees. How it is possible students? It is impossible. When you multiply 4 and 50, what is the answer students? 50 multiplied by 4, yes, 200, isn't it? So cancel it and make it 200. Now here sarees, 3 sarees and price of a saree is 240. 240 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. It is 720, isn't it? So here they have given 620. That's why here it will come 720. Now just add it. The total is also wrong because here 920 will come. Okay. Now all of you understood? So in this way you can solve Super Bazaar. You can find the mistakes from Super Bazaar, Lakshmi Musical and Bharat Crockery also. So just solve it, check properly what are the mistakes and make it correct students. here in question number 2, Super Bazaar price list and Lakshmi Musical price list is given. Even the Bharat Crockery Store also price list is given. So from that, just check it properly, what are the mistakes, find it and correct it and make another new bill. Okay, so in this way today we have completed our lesson number 3. So in next session we will see lesson number 4. Thank you.